Hello and welcome back to Programming Rush. Today we will see the video that how to check a number is prime or not. So prime number, as you know, is a number which is divisible by itself and 1. So it has only two factors. Okay, so there is a shortcut standard method to it to check it, and let's see how. So the method is, suppose we need to find whether 57 is prime or not. So what you do, first of all, you take the root of it and take an approximate root of it. So 57 will lie between 7 and 8. The root of 57 will lie between 7 and 8. Now take 7 and do write all the prime numbers below it. So 2, 3, 5 and 7, and divide 57 with all these prime numbers. So divide 2 with 57. So 2 goes out. 2 is not divisible. 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 2 gets, so yeah, it is divisible. Stop the process and we can see that 57 is divisible by 3. So 57 is a composite number. It is not a prime number. Now let's see an example, bigger example. 120, no, 129 we know it is composite. 127. Yeah. So take the root. Okay, 11 and 12. It lies between 11 and 12. All the prime numbers below 11 are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. 2, 3, 5, 7, yeah. Now check it with 2. Okay, 2 goes out, 5 goes out. We know they are not the answer. Now 3. So 3 4s are 12, 2. Okay, 3 is not there, and 7, 7 on the 7, 5 comes down, 57. It is also not. So we can say that 127 is a prime number. So if you write and do it, this whole process, it will take a lot of time. So I will just tell you a much more shortcut method, okay, which is necessary for the exams. So whenever a 3-digit number comes, suppose 151, okay, first of all check it with 3. If not, then check it with 7, and if not, then check it with, this is the last thing, 11. That's it. Okay, numbers till 160 you can check with only these three numbers and check that they are prime or not. So 151, 3, no. 7, no. 11, no. 151 is a prime number. One, let's take a composite number and check. So 144, check with 3, it goes. So keep it up. So okay. Let's take a bigger example. 138. 138 goes. Okay. 141. So 141. Check it with 3. Okay. Yeah. It is also divisible with 3. So as you see, with only 3, we can find each and every answer. And in many exams, you will see 4 options, out of which, if it is TCS Ninja or something like that sort, you can easily eliminate these 3 options by checking the divisibility for 11 and 3 and 7. So these 3 numbers, if you divide it and check, you can eliminate. So the process that I have told will be used only, but many times you need a stronger approach, so that process is also correct. So thank you for watching this video.